Jessica Zaratsky.
Jessica Zaratsky doesn't shy away from hard work. That's a skill she learned from her parents, who run an electrical engineering and contracting company in Rhinelander. Her parents' cool-headed, straightforward approach to business has helped Zaratsky turn around deals from incalculable to signings in a matter of days. Her efforts on financial restructuring at state banks and creditors' rights make her a leader at Von Briesen and Roper.
I'm from northern Wisconsin. My husband and I are high school sweethearts. We love to get up there when we can for a really long weekend. We take our 2-year-old and just spend some time with our family. Such a different change of pace up there. And then we come back here and feel so recharged and ready to go, so focus and get back to work.